Hi, I'm Sean Thomas, and today we're going to talk about the new BMW Basic and Pro kidney belts. Kidney belts are great because they provide protection to the delicate muscles around the lumbar area, keeping temperature in the area regulated and offering additional comfort and support when riding over bumpy road surfaces. Let's go through some of the features offered by each belt. The Basic kidney belt is smaller in dimension and is available in 4 unisex sizes. The air mesh lining is very breathable and ergonomically shaped for an ideal fit. The hook and loop fasteners are infinitely adjustable. Like the Basic kidney belt, the Pro kidney belt comes in 4 sizes, is lightweight and breathable, and uses the same adjustment and protective elements. But the Pro kidney belt is larger, providing protection for both the lumbar area and the lower back. It includes protective elements made from nitrile rubber, which work by redistributing up to 97% of impact force throughout the material. The Basic and Pro kidney belts can be worn with just about any BMW riding jacket or pants. I hope this helps you better understand the features of the BMW Basic and Pro kidney belts. Now get out there and make life a ride.